The Logroño Railway Integration Project is the most important urban regeneration project carried out in this city in recent decades. Ever since its origin back in 2004, this has been an ambitious work of engineering, urbanism and planned architecture based on holistic, sustainable parameters that can be measured in economic terms. Managed by a public company called Logroño Integración del Ferrocarril, this project got underway with the holding of an international competition which was won by the Spanish team of Ábalos and Herreros, with a project that was profoundly transformative and integrating. The implementation of this project by society has been achieved by getting the three administrations involved to work together in the same direction and by dealing with all the technical, social and economic issues raised over these last 20 years. In 2009, the Special Railway Plan set out the form that the project would take, and the railway and urban building work began the following year. The most important, most complex intervention was in Phase 1, which was carried out by the Saphir Company and involved the partial undergrounding of the railway lines over a distance of 1.5 kilometers, as well as the construction of a new train station which came into service in December 2011. An agreement was entered into with Logroño City Council, after which building work began on a new bus station in January 2017. One of the main features of this project was the large urban dome joining the two stations, which completed this important intermodal transport hub. The new station entered service in October 2023. The Felipe VI Park runs across the roof above the railway platforms, the two stations and the dome that joins them together, forming an artificial hill whose slopes run down towards the Calle Vara del Rey, with large esplanades with gardens. The design of the gardens, the work of the landscape designer Teresa Gali, is based on an innovative system of recycling the surface runoff, which once filtered and channeled is stored in 3 large water tanks and reused for watering the park, so making the construction project area into a genuine urban sponge. The garden-covered roofs have replaced, to great advantage, traditional impermeable roofing materials with high levels of thermal inertia, so helping mitigate the heat island effect. Residential development. On this land, which is now largely regenerated, building will soon begin on an innovative residential development, which will complete the planned urban layout and will establish a landscape dialogue between the city and its surrounding natural area. The planning of the residential area accompanies the route around the central park, so contributing to the spatial continuity between the area previously occupied by the former railway lines and the rest of the city. The design of the residential development helps guarantee maximum levels of environmental comfort and cleanliness. This is combined with a commitment to sustainability and energy efficiency, unheard of in local real estate developments, which will undoubtedly enhance the economic return on investment. The quality of the integration project has been endorsed by the receipt of various awards, such as the Premio Asprima 2023 for the Best Urban Regeneration Project and the BREEAM Urbanismo Sustainability Certificate obtained in 2022, one of the first to be awarded in Spain. In addition, the architectural and landscape projects for the train station and the Felipe VI Park were nominated and finalists, respectively, in the Mies van der Rohe Awards in 2013 and 2015. With 80% of the project now executed, pending exact specification of the scope of phases 2 and 3, local people can now bid farewell to the cleft that divided the city in two, thanks to a project that has integrated the railway line and created a space for coexistence and biodiversity in the center of the city.